Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to turn off grid in Figma. Open your project and select the frame or canvas you want to change, then move to the right sidebar and find the Layout Grid panel. Click the eye icon to hide grids or use the Delete control to remove a grid entirely. Repeat for each frame and use shortcuts to speed up the process for multi-frame documents. Grids come in 3 useful types: grid, columns, and rows, and choosing the right one helps layout design quickly. Select the layout grid and pick a type, then fine-tune properties like size, gutter, and color for clarity. Use columns for responsive designs and rows for vertical rhythm or simple square grids for pixel alignment. When you no longer need a grid, toggling it off keeps your layout clean without deleting settings forever. Mastering a few shortcuts makes turning off grids much faster and less tedious as you design. Use Shift+G to toggle visibility and group related frames so you can manage grids more efficiently on multiple screens at once. Save custom grid styles to the Assets panel to apply consistent layouts across projects, avoiding repetitive setup. These simple habits reduce clutter and speed up prototyping and handoff to developers or collaborators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.